Hello everyone, welcome back to Brain Equations. Today we are going to solve a question that is x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. We need to find out the value of x. So let's begin. We will divide this expression by x to the power 2, x to the power 4 divided by x to the power 2 plus x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 2 plus x to the power 2 divided by x to the power 2 plus x divided by x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by x to the power 2 is equal to 0. So from here we will get this x to the power 2 will cancel out with this 4 and we will left with x to the power 2. Here we will get x to the power 1. Here we will get this x will cancel out with x to the power 2 will cancel out with x to the power 2 and we will get 1. So here we will get 1 over x plus here we will get 1 over x square is equal to 0. So from here we can arrange the like terms that x square will be arranged with this x 1 over x square and this x we will write with 1 over x. So we will write our expression in parentheses x square plus 1 over x square parentheses plus x plus 1 over x plus 1 over x we will write in parentheses and we will get 1 here is equal to 0. From here we can make our substitution. Let x plus 1 over x is equal to s. Then this implies that if we take square on both sides, x plus 1 over x square s square then we will get x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 is equal to s square. So from here we will take 2 from left hand side to right hand side and we will get x square plus 1 over x square is equal to s square minus 2. So here we have two expressions, this one and this one. We will use this expression here. X plus 1 over x we will write s, and for x square plus 1 over x we will write s minus s square minus 2. So our new expression will become s square minus 2 minus plus s and plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we will simplify this expression. We will get s square plus s and here minus 2 and plus 1 will give us minus 1 is equal to 0. Here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 1. So we will use quadratic formula to calculate the value of s. So s is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So we will substitute the values. So here we will get b is 1 minus 1 plus or minus, here our b is 1 square minus 4 into this a is 1 and c is minus 1 over 2 into 1. So from here we will get minus 1 plus or minus 1. This minus and minus will give us plus over 2. So from here we will have s1 and 2. We have minus 1 plus or minus 5 over 2. So from here we will have s1 is equal to minus 1 plus, first we will take plus sign, square root 5 over 2, and s2 we have minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. So we have two cases here, for s1 case number 1 and for s2 case number 2. So we will solve this question by considering two cases. So in the first case, when we have case 1, when s1 is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Recall that s was equal to x plus 1 over x. So we will write this expression here, and we will, our new expression will become x plus 1 over x, and this expression that is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2. So we will multiply both sides of this expression with 2x. 2x plus 1 over x is equal to 2x minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Sorry, here we have only x plus 1 over x. So we have 2x square plus, here x will cancel out with x and we will get only 2 is equal to, here 2 will cancel out with this and we will get x minus 1 plus square root 5. So from here we will bring this expression on left hand side. We will write 2x square minus x minus 1 plus square root 5 plus 2. So it is a quadratic equation. We will use quadratic formula. Here we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5, and c is equal to 2. We will use the quadratic formula to calculate the value of x. So here we have x is equal to x1 and 2 is equal to, our b is minus 1 plus square root 5 plus or minus, we will write b square, that is minus 1 plus square root 5 whole square minus 4, and our a is 2 and c is also 2. So from here over 2 into a is 2. So from here we will get, now we do not need our parenthesis. We will write this expression as without parenthesis, plus or minus. Here we will raise this expression to the power 2, that is 1 square plus 2 into square root 5 plus 5 minus, here 4 2 times and 2 times will give us 16 over 2 in 2 times 2 will give us 4. So from here minus 1 plus square root 5 plus or minus, here we have 1 plus 2 square root 5 plus 5 minus 16 over 4. So from here we will get minus 1 plus or this is not minus, plus 5 plus or minus, this will become square root 2 in times square root 5 minus 10, because this 1 plus 5 will give 6, and we will subtract 6 from 16 and we will get minus 10 over 4. So from here we have minus 1 plus 5 plus or minus, we can write it as 10 minus 2 square root 5, and we will take minus as common over 4. So from here we know that we have I is equal to square root minus 1. So we will write here our I, because we are going to have a complex solution, plus square root 5 plus or minus I, 10 minus 2 square root 5 over 4. So from here we will divide each expression with the 4, and we will get minus 1 over 4 plus square root 5 over 4 plus or minus I, and this 4 we will bring this 4 in the square root, and we know that if we write 4 in square root, 4 is equal to square root 16. So it will become 16 when we will bring it in the square root. So we will have 10 minus 2 square root 5 over 16. So from here we have our x1 and x2, the two roots. So if we simplify it further, we will get x1 x2 is equal to minus 1 over 4 plus square root 5 over 4 plus or minus I, and here we will divide each expression with 16, and we will get 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8. So from here we will get two roots of x. For x1 is equal to minus 1 over 4 plus square root 5 over 4. Here for first root we will take plus sign, I 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8. So for x2, minus 1 over 4 plus square root 5 over 4. Here we will take minus square root 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8. It is 5 over 8 only. So these are the two roots. Now we have the second case. As I told you, we had one case for S1, that we got these two roots. Now we will consider this case as S2 for minus value. So we will find out the minus value. It is very easy. It's case 2. S2 is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Here we will recall our substitution, and we will substitute the value. We know that our s is equal to x plus 1 over x, and we will write x plus 1 over x here, and this expression minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. So we will multiply both sides with 2x. X plus 1 over x is equal to 2x minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. So from here we will multiply, and we will get 2x square plus 2 is equal to, I'll write minus 1 minus square root 5. So from here we will bring x from right hand side to left hand side, and our expression will become 2x squared minus x minus 1 minus square root 5 plus 2. It is quadratic equation, and we will find x third and fourth by using quadratic formula. Our b is minus 1 minus square root 5. Because the process is same, we have to just change the values. For the second case, for our b, we will write minus square root 5 minus whole square. We will raise this expression to the power 2. 4 into a, our a is 2 and our b is 2, or c is 2. Also here we will write 2 into 2. So from here we will get minus 1 minus square root 5. We do not need parentheses now. Square root 5. Here we will simplify it, and we will get 1 plus 2 square root 5 plus 5 minus 16 over 4. So from here we will get minus 1 minus square root 5 plus or minus. Here we will get 5 and 1 will give 6, and we will subtract from minus 16. We will get 2 square root 5 minus 10 over 4. So from here we will get our x third and x4, that is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 plus or minus. Here we will change the position, and we will get 10 minus 2 square root 5, and we will take minus common. That will become our I over 4, and that is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 plus or minus I. Here we will write, we will divide each expression with 4 separately. And we will bring this 4 into the square root. Here we will write minus 1 over 4 minus square root 5 over 4 plus or minus. This 4 will goes into the square root, and we will get 10 minus 2 square root 5 over 16. So from here we will get our x third and 4 minus 1 over 4 minus square root 5 over 4 plus or minus I. Here we will get 5 over 8 and minus square root 5 over 8. So from here we get our x3, as from we will get our x3 and x4. So our x3 is equal to 1 over 4 minus square root 5 over 4. We will take plus for x3 I square root here 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8. For x4 we have minus 1 over 4 minus square root 5 over 4 minus I square root 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8. So these two are also the roots, x third and x fourth, and these two roots are complex roots. We have seen that our previous roots were also complex roots. So this is complex and this is also complex. So our x1 was complex root and x2. I'm going to write all four roots together. That is x1 is equal to, our x1 is equal to 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus square root. There is only the difference of the sign. Square root 5 over 4 plus I square root 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8. Here x2 was minus 1 over 4 plus square root 5 over 4 minus I. I'm writing these all together so that it become easy for you to check and understand. our x third is equal to, we know that, minus 1 over 4 minus square root 5 over 4 plus I 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8. So x fourth is equal to minus 1 over 4 minus square root 5 over 4 minus I 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8. So these all are complex roots. These all are complex roots. We have no real roots, no real solution. We have no real solution here. All solutions are complex roots. No real solution. So it was not an easy challenge. It was a difficult challenge. I hope you have learned something from this video. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions like this. Till the next video. Bye.